Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to delete any text after typing without using on-screen keyboard in iPhone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone smartphone. So say let me open Notes application, right? And let me try to type something. Say I have typed a text name tutorial, right? So most probably what we used to do in order to delete this text, we use this button, that is a backspace button, in order to delete the text that we have typed, right? But we are not going to use this on-screen keyboard. So for this I will show you two methods how you can delete this text after typing. So the first method, just use the three fingers and just double tap on this blank area, so you can see here. And if you want to restore it back, just once again double tap. So this is the first method how you can delete any text without using the on-screen keyboard. And the second method, what you can do is just you can shake it. So you will see here undo typing option appearing. Just tap on this undo. Now you can see the text is being deleted. Now if you want to restore it back, just shake it again, and now you can see redo typing. Just tap on this redo. It will bring back or restore back the deleted text. So using these two methods, you can easily delete any text after typing without using on-screen keyboard in iPhone very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.